Are you sitting comfortably behind your kit, or are you struggling to reach your drums and cymbals? In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to set up your snare, toms and cymbals at the perfect height for comfort and efficiency. Stick around, your playing will instantly feel smoother and more natural. Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's begin. Today we're tackling a crucial but often overlooked question. How high should you set up your snare drum, toms and cymbals? Getting this right can make the difference between playing comfortably for hours or feeling stiff and frustrated after just a short session. Your arms are aching to boot. I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to setting up your kit for maximum comfort, efficiency and playability. Let's jump in. The height and positioning of your kit is key to creating a comfortable and efficient playing environment. Here's how you can set it up step by step. First, start with your seating position. Sit at your drum kit and place your feet on the pedals. Lift your heels about an inch off the ground or pedal board. Your thighs should now be parallel to the floor. This creates a balanced and relaxed posture, which is the foundation of a great seating position. The distance between your core and the pedals should also be comfortable. Your shins should be 95 to 100 degrees angle to your thighs, which are, as mentioned, parallel to the ground. Move your seat and change the height to suit. Then take a few minutes to adjust to this position. Feel how comfortable it feels, and then if needs be, make some adjustments. Remember, your legs will be slightly parted, enough to fit your snare drum between them. And the snare drum should also be positioned at a comfortable distance. Next, adjust the snare drum height. Sit relaxed with your forearms parallel to the ground while holding your sticks. Without raising or lowering your arms, the tip of your stick should naturally rest at the center of the snare drum head. If it doesn't, adjust the snare drum height until it aligns perfectly. Many drummers prefer to tilt their snare slightly toward them for easier access, especially when playing rim shots or ghost notes. Experiment to find what feels best for you. You may have to lift the snare drum an inch or so to accommodate the slant, and so that the tip of the sticks is still aligned with the center of the snare drum head, with your forearms parallel to the ground. Now, let's move to the toms. Position them so they are close enough to hit without reaching or straining. If your toms are mounted on your bass drum, adjust their angles so your sticks naturally strike their centers when your arms are relaxed. Floor toms should be at a height where you can transition seamlessly from your snare to your toms without awkward arm movement. Try to keep each tom as near to you as possible so you can play them without having to reach excessively, and as mentioned, angle them so they too can be used to play rim shots. Take special note to have them high enough so you don't hit your hands on the snare drum rim as you play the toms. Take your time with this, position each drum one at a time until it feels comfortable to play along with the snare drum, and that your movements are smooth and easy. Finally, let's talk about cymbals. The key here is not to prioritize how cool they look, but how comfortable they are to play. Place your ride cymbal low enough that you can strike it with ease during long playing sessions. Angle it so you can reach the bell with as little effort as possible, and so you can play the bell of the cymbal, the bow and the edge. Take note that the edge should also ensure that you don't hit anything with your knuckles as you lower your hands and the stick to play the edge. Next, your crash cymbals should be positioned within easy reach for quick accents without requiring excessive movement or reach. Think efficiency. Every drum and cymbal should be positioned and angled to minimize energy and maximize flow. It's important to remember that the overall setup should feel natural and easy to play. If you find yourself stretching or straining, revisit your kit and make small adjustments. Comfort is the goal. When you're comfortable, you can play better for longer. This all aids you use your only superpower more efficiently and to the best effect: your concentration. So now you know how to set up your snare, toms and cymbals for optimal comfort and performance. It's all about efficiency, making your kit work for you. Take a few minutes to adjust your setup and see how much easier and smoother your playing feels. In the next video, we'll answer another important question. I'm left-handed. Do I set my drums up differently? If you're a lefty or just curious about alternative setups, don't miss it. Click the video to watch it now.